Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we'll see company law subject, a very good topic, corporate social responsibilities. Corporate social responsibilities. In short, we call it as CSR. Very important topic. You know that every organization, so when they are making some business in the organization and when they are making money from the society, it is the minimum responsibility to take care of the society, to give some facilities to the society, to give some advantages to the society. That's we call it as a corporate social responsibility. By doing this corporate social responsibility, no doubt at all, every organization's prestige, it will increase in the mindset of the consumers. Consumers are all customers or normal people of the country. They trust on that company because they have that corporate social responsibility. So whenever company is having, and as a part of corporate social responsibility, they have to minimize the wastage. They have to give some services to the people. People in the sense, it may be normal people of the country or employees of the organization and who are directly, indirectly related to the company. The best example shall I give you, corporate social responsibility. Recently when we had this problem, pandemic situation, COVID situation, Tata company, Ratan Tata ji, he has given lot of money as donation at this pandemic situation. That's a corporate social responsibility. Everyone cannot do that, but he has done that. So everyone got some kind of gratitude and image and very good feeling that company is very good. They are taking the corporate responsibility. Why they are taking means most of the companies are earning from the people only. So giving back to the people and serving the people at the right time at the pandemic period. So that is what. And even you can take some good examples of Wipro company also. Wipro company is also giving some kind of services, education, free education and women development program and children, especially girls, some scholarship programs they are giving. And in the same way you can see Infosys. Infosys is also giving a lot of advantages as a corporate social responsibility. They are doing a lot of services. It is the minimum responsibility of every company. Minimize the wastage and increasing their standards in the value of the customers. In that way, as a social corporate responsibility, they are doing some services. And not harming the society. This is very much important. With their pollution, with their products, with the price or anywhere, they should not harm. Rather than harming, they have to give some kind of services, some kind of benefits to the people. That is, we call it as a corporate social responsibility. So as a part of corporate social responsibility, whenever they are giving any services, whenever they are spending some money, so on that money, income tax benefits are there. So from the income tax, they can get some kind of benefits. They can get some reduction also because it's service. So like they are having a lot of advantages, though it's not direct, indirectly they are going to get the benefits by this corporate social responsibility. Anyway, what is corporate social responsibility? We can give only in one sentence, one line, what is corporate social responsibility. That is, companies make a decision voluntarily. Voluntarily, company wants to take a decision to donate to a better society and a clean environment. Company voluntarily taken a decision to donate something, and it is for the better environment and also for the clean environment. So whatever they do, that's called as a corporate social responsibility. And why we have to go for corporate responsibility? For that, arguments in favor of corporate social responsibility, business to business. So why we have to go for corporate responsibility? These are the arguments. Means these are in favor of corporate social responsibility. What are those? The first one is, business is a creation of society. Business is a creation of society, and therefore it should respond to the demands of the society. You are doing business with the society only, so it is your responsibility to respond the demands of the society. What are the demands of the society? That demands you have to fulfill it. To some extent, may not be all. So it is your minimum responsibility. So that is why they are saying that you are doing business from the society, give some benefits, give some advantages to the society. This is the first argument. Then after that, the self-interest of business is best served by meeting the aspirants of the society. The self-interest of the business is the best served to meet the aspirants of the business. So remember always, the self-interest should be always high. The more self-interest you show to give the social responsibility, automatically you will get back the benefit, may not be present but in future. So that self-interest, they have to develop it. So that is one of the interest. Another thing you can say, to improve the public image of business, as I told you. Generally whenever you are doing some social services, automatically it goes in the eyes of the people. It will be eye-catching point to the people that this company is giving services, this company is doing something for the society. As I told you, Ratan Tata ji during the Corona period, and Wipro, Infosys, there are many more companies who are giving services. So this is going to automatically improves or increases the public image of the business. One of the important thing, remember it, because all the time you are in some dark circle and not doing anything favor to the society, that doesn't goes a good impact on in the view of the people. That is why always do some good things. And whatever profit you are earning from the society, out of that 1% if you spend also, it makes a lot of difference in your brand value, brand image. That's what we call it as a, so you improve the image, public image. Next one, it is a moral thing too. It is a moral thing too. Morally it is your responsibility to do some services, to give some services to the society. So these are the general arguments related to the corporate social responsibility. There are some criticism is also there. Argument which are in favor of corporate social responsibility. Why to do services? Why? This kind of negative things also there for corporate social responsibility. Main thing people what they say is here, especially organizations, they say that it is the minimum duty of the government. Government has to take care of this corporate social responsibility, not by the private organizations, not by the companies. It's not the company duty, it is the duty of the government. Why should we do? Why should we take care? So this is main important thing. So which organizations are arguing regarding this, are against this corporate social responsibility? And corporate social responsibility, why we have to take the pain, the same pain, let us focus on other activities also. This is the main important negative thing related to the corporate social responsibility. Of course, it is there in many organizations, in many countries. In many countries, no organizations will take much responsibility, developed countries, because government is so strong that they'll take care of everything. Need not requirement of the help of the private organizations. Anyway, developing countries, they need some support. That's what going on. Anyway, that will be there always, like arguments, disarguments, positive, negative, that will be always there. Now, important thing let us see is that corporate issues of government. So when we do this corporate services, so what the government is facing, that kind of issues, corporate social responsibility issues of government, what government is facing. First thing is that improved customer attention. So government says that improve the customer attention. Please improve the customer attention. How do we improve? Do something to the society, do something to the services, give some services to the customers, then automatically you are going to improve the attention. So improve customer attention by doing some social corporate responsibilities, by accomplishing some CSR. So improve the customer attention, attract the customer attention. Next one is then raising investor stress. Raising investor stress means generally whenever we go for increasing of this capital or something, that makes lot of difference. CSR, if you are doing any kind of corporate social responsibility, if you are giving some services, raising the investor means you want to increase the capital, it doesn't matter. There you will have less stress. Less stress because you have given already services to the society. So that is going to make difference. In the same way, The decreasing responsibility of government. If we go for corporate social responsibility, this is going to decrease responsibilities of government. Some of the government responsibility you are going to share with your services. So it will be easy for every government. Automatically that government is going to take care of this organization who is doing corporate, who is giving corporate social responsibilities, who is giving the services of corporate social responsibility, because they are helping the government. Government is going to help them future. So that's the mutual understanding. When you do something to the society, society will automatically will give back to you. So that is why decreasing the responsibility of the government. Next one is that demands for greater disclosure. This is going to give you a greater disclosure. It will demand for your organization, and there will be a good impact on the customers regarding your organization. That is why automatically you will have a demand for greater disclosure. Good impact you are going to find. You might have seen when some organization is giving any kind of services like corporate social responsibility, automatically in WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, everywhere, this company has given so and so, let us purchase these company products only. You might have seen. So that is the best example which you can take. In the same way, aggressive labor markets. At labor markets also we are going to focus. Aggressive labor markets are going to establish, because when you are doing such kind of corporate social responsibilities. So these markets are definitely going to be helpful for you. When you give some provision, when you give some kind of help, so when you give some kind of facilities, automatically which is going to make the impact on your organization. That is what this we say is as a corporate social responsibility issues of the government. Government is going to give you such kind of benefits. Government will get the benefits, and also organization is going to get the benefits. This is about corporate social responsibility. You can take a screenshot or write down. And in company law, there are many more topics which I am going to cover shortly. Please remember, read it once after hearing my lecture. It would be definitely double benefit for you. You will remember the subject for long period. Please check out the playlist for more subjects and more topics and use it. Don't forget to share these videos. Good luck.